How to change TikTok playback speed. Let's get started. Make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok app. Now launch it. You will land to the For You page. Now head towards the video in which you want to change the TikTok playback speed. Once you land to the video, at the right corner you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on this arrow icon. With that, different options will appear. Now scroll to the right. You'll find the option of playback speed. Click on it. With that, you will get different options. You can set it to 2x, likewise 1.5x, normal or 0.5x. I'm gonna set it to 2x. Now let's play the video. Video will play in the fast mode. Likewise, let's try in 0.5x as well. Video will play in very slow mode. So you can see the difference. So this is how you can change TikTok playback speed. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.